Hi guys, the other day I made this very basic electric motor powered car by simply positioning the electric motor so that the shaft rubbed on the outside of the wheel. And in the summary I did say the next step, because this is the most basic way of doing it, the next step would be to put a pulley on it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to take the wheel off. I'm going to put a pulley on the inside of the wheel, and I'll move this motor. It's held in place with hot glue at the moment, so I'll get that off and we'll move it, and we'll probably we could put a small pulley on there, or we might just use the shaft direct. Put a rubber band around the shaft so that it just pulls on the shaft like that. So another bottle top, we'll use that to give us a reasonable sized pulley, and I'll put a bit of cardboard on the outside to stop the rubber band slipping off. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. While the hot glue gun is warming up, I'll cut a disc of cardboard to go on the outside of there. And here's a handy bit of cardboard. Because that's all we need, just something to stop the rubber band sliding off. It's going to go on there. And glue that on there. It's just the wrong size to be able to get the hot glue gun in there easily. Still, that should be good enough. Alright, I'm going to get the motor off. There we go. I use surgical spirit. Methylated spirits, denatured alcohol, all those sort of things. They'll act as release agents to get your hot glue off of whatever you've glued it to. Right. I need a slightly wider axle this time. A bit of drinking straw just to keep the wheels away from the bodywork. Right, motor is going to have to stick out there somewhere. It would have been a good idea to have put the rubber band on first, but I think we can get over there okay. You might need something on there just to discourage the rubber band from sliding off. Right, something like that. Want a little bit of tension on it, but not too much. We'll find out in a minute. Alright, don't know if we can see, but I've got the motor angled that way a little bit so that the rubber band tends to run towards the motor rather than away from it when it slides along the shaft to stop it dropping off the end. So if we connect up, so there we go, pulley driven. We put that on the floor, connect it up. Whoops. No steering again. So there we go. Another very simple, very basic electric motor driven car. I'll put a link in the video description to the previous build so you can follow this series through.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.